Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I'm going to show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with a device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, right over here. I'm going to push the pin in. And you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray you actually have space for 2 SIM cards on the bottom and 1 SD card at the top. At least I think that's how it was going. So I'm gonna occupy the bottom with my SIM. I am gonna grab an SD card also for this. Now I want to point out the SD card tray is retention mounted. And it looks like the SIM card is as well. So you need to have your cards clipped into place correctly. As you can see, they shouldn't be protruding and falling out of the tray whatsoever. Next, we're going to insert it back into our device. I think it was going like this. Yep. And as you can see, when you insert it, it automatically detects the card. So it's prompting me to confirm my SIM card PIN. And we should also have some kind of notification about our SD card. And there it is. So both cards are working. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.